Hi everyone, Chrissy here from couponconfidants.com. I wanted to go over the Target Circle app. If you have been watching my Facebook page, have been in my groups, or been on my website, you know that I have been doing a ton of Target deals lately. I am starting to lean more towards deals that everybody can do. So this includes deals using digital coupons, digital rebates, and useful apps like this one right here. So this is the Target app for your store Target. You do not necessarily need to have a Target next to you. You can go ahead and download this, become a member for free, or you can continue as guest up here. And you can go ahead and use a lot of these Target Circle offers and have shipping, and a lot of times it will be free shipping if you spend over $35. So I just wanted to touch base on a couple of things in here. If somebody is new to the app, they can go ahead and use this as a reference, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. I just downloaded this on my iPad. I have it on my phone. That's what I use all the time. Oh, and I did also want to mention you can use the Target Circle offers if you do not want the app on your smartphone or on your iPad or anything like that. You can go to circle.target.com and you can go ahead and get those offers that way as well. So you can do it on the computer. You don't need to download an app if you don't want to. I'll leave everything linked down below. So because this is on my iPad, I'm just going to continue as guest and see what happens. So as you can see, what you would do is you can show nearby stores. You can search by zip code. You can just go ahead and kind of pick your closest Target. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my zip code. Okay. And as you can see, all the different stores go ahead and come up. I'll just click on Hollywood. You can enable notifications, not now. And this is basically what the app is going to look like. This is how it shows up in the store, and this is pretty much how it's going to show up on Target's website. A little bit different. It's going to be kind of like a fuller page because it will be on your computer versus on your smart device. So you have a couple different options here. You can always come here and check out the weekly ad, which I do post as soon as it becomes available. We can go ahead and get a sneak peek look at that on Fridays. So tomorrow morning first thing, or tonight if I happen to wake up in the middle of the night, I will post that ad. That will be showing up tonight about midnight, 1 o'clock, something like that. Sometimes they're a little bit later, Target. But if you click on it right now, it's going to be the ad that goes through Saturday. Target Circle offers are what I basically am talking about. You can go ahead and search by category if you want to do that. Or you can hit show all and everything will come up for you. And as you can see here, this is that weekly ad that I was talking to you about. This is something else that you can go ahead and actually search through the weekly ad to see if there are any deals. So that's how you can cross-reference your Circle offers versus what is in the weekly ad. I'm going to go ahead and dig a little bit deeper. Let's just go ahead and hit show all. Now you can see here we have 553 related offers right now on the app, and I have it sort by newest. You can sort by what is trending, what is expiring, and you can sort by the biggest discount if you want to go ahead and see what the biggest discount is they have right now. As you can see, 60% off The Hangover. So if you want to go ahead and purchase that, that might even be a good Father's Day gift there for you. So 60% off the Blu-ray of Hangover, and then all these other offers. They still have this ocean spray offers that I had talked about. I think that is a great one for anybody to go ahead and get. As it is, the juices are already cheaper than your average grocery store. At least for me down here, I deal with Publix a lot. If you're not a couponer and you go in there, the prices are high. It's above average for a grocery store. So I like to go to Target or Walmart, and you're going to get better prices, and with something as easy as doing a click, you can go ahead and get half off. So what I'm talking about here is, let's say you click on an offer, right? It's going to tell you in store, order pickup, which means, let me start over. If you go into the store, you can go ahead and purchase it in the store and get your 50% off. You have order pickup to where you can go ahead and order this online and pay for it and then just go into the store and pick it up. There's a drive up option. You can park in the designated parking spots out front of your Target and have them run the stuff outside to you. And then we have same day delivery with Shipt. That is kind of like an Instacart type thing that you can sign up for. It is $99 for the year. I will leave my link down below. You can get $10 off if you sign up through me. So that's $89 for the entire year. Free same day shipping. You wouldn't have to pay that $9.99 fee every time you do the same day shipping. You would be an annual member. And that is a great way to get all of these amazing discounts and not even leave your house. Another offer here, another way to get the item is through shipping. As you can see, this one is grayed out. So the majority of the grocery deals are going to be grayed out. Those are deals that are specific to these other 4 options. These are going to be available on a lot of the clothing offers, accessories, anything pretty much non-food. So I'll go ahead and click on one of those so I can show you in a second here. If you scroll down, you'll see, if you stay up here, you'll see the expiration date of the cartwheel. So as you can see, there's only 2 days left to go ahead and get this. They're telling you it's on the 64 ounce, and then here are your details and exclusions. So if there's anything that you need to know, it's going to be right here and tell you what it is. This needs to be the tropical blend with a tropical twist. And then they go ahead and give you the standard terms and conditions down here. Each Target offer is pretty much the same. Okay, you can get 4 of that offer. So I can go in and I can get 4 Ocean Spray Crayon Tropical Juices for 50% off if I go ahead and add this to, if I go ahead and save this offer. I can also get a total of 6 circle offers in one day, okay? So you're limited to 1 circle account per transaction, which is obvious. I'm not going to have this one be a brand new account and then I'm not going to use the one on my phone. You can't do that. You have 1 account that you set up, and that is the account that you're going to have to use in that transaction in that day. So you can do 6 circle offers in one trip, and you can do 4 of each offer. So essentially that is 24 items. Is that right? Yes. That is 24 items that you can get for a discount, depending on what you're choosing to do. And you can basically go back every day if you want to go ahead and do that. You can be getting your same day shipping, your drive ups, shipping offers on clothing, stuff like that. So you can go ahead and save this offer. If you have an iPad, you can click on this and you can actually message it to somebody or copy it, something like that. That's how you guys see me in the groups sharing offers. Now, a lot of times if you scroll down, they will show you the participating products. Let me see if I can find one that will do that. Of course, nothing's going to do it on my iPad now, right? Okay, here we go. So 50% off Similac Pro Advanced. Okay, you're going to get half off of Similac, which is a great deal on formula. You have the 4 options of how you can get it. You cannot get it shipping, but you can get it any of these other ways. They're giving you the item number, and then down here, they go ahead and they tell you the eligible item. And you have the price right there. So $14.99 is the regular price of this. You're going to go ahead and get 50% off. So you can go ahead and get this for basically $8, right? $7.50. What am I talking about? That's the best part about this app. Target makes it so easy for you to just click. Of course, nothing that I click on now is going to come up, but a lot of them are going to have even usually some of the Blu-ray items. They will have the prices down below for you. So also, if you cannot find this, you can go ahead and ask me in the groups if you're looking for a price, and I can go ahead and try to get it for you. Another hack, another way you can do this is you can go ahead and open your web browser, go directly to Target.com, and you can get the prices that way. I'll just try this really quick. Eggland's Best hard cooked eggs. So let's go ahead and get out of the target circle area, right? And now we go right here to find anything. Let me type hard cooked. Hard. Okay, so if you just go back, you can search for them and then they'll give you the price right there. So you can see they're regularly $3.19, and then you could go ahead and use that Target Circle offer that we had just seen on the eggs. So you can go ahead and look back on the prices if you need to do that. Now what is another thing I wanted to show you in Target Circle? Okay, another thing great about Target Circle is what you do when you go ahead and register for an account. You're going to go ahead and sign up. As you can see, I'm signed in as a guest, like I talked about before. You're going to go ahead and sign up, and you will be getting 1% cash back that you can use on future purchases on everything that you buy. So what you want to do is you want to sign up and you add your phone number into your account. And then when you purchase online, make sure that you're signed in. All of those purchases will go towards your account. If you go ahead and you use these offers in store, you're just going to go ahead and add the offer, right? So you can see it wants me to make an account or sign in. You're going to save the offer once you are signed in. And then you're going to go to the store and you're going to go ahead and type in your phone number on the pin pad. And then your receipts will automatically get uploaded here. Well, let's say that you go to the store, you haven't used any Target Circle offers, or let's say your husband, your significant other went there and they didn't need to use any Circle offers, but they forgot to give your phone number and you made a big purchase that you want to get 1% back on. You can still upload receipts in here. Under your wallet is where it's going to show you how much cash back you have pending that you can use, and it will also give you the option to take a picture and upload a receipt. So if you did go to the store and you forgot to put your phone number in the pin pad, don't sweat it. You just come home, get on your app, and you can go ahead and submit a receipt that way and still get your 1% back. If you would like to get 5% back instantly when you shop, instead of a cash back, instead of the way it works with cash back on the Circle app, you can get a Target Red Card and link that to your Target Circle account. A Target Red Card is basically a store credit card you can sign up for. If you do not want a credit card, you can link your checking account and make your own debit card a Target debit card. So you can still use that everywhere you go, but when you go to Target and you use it and you are using these Target Circle offers, you pay with your debit. You're not paying with a credit card. You're paying with your Target debit. You will still get 5% instantly back. You can also get a percentage back if you bring in your own bags. So you bring in recycled reusable bags, and they will give you, I forget what it is, I'll write it down in the comments, in the description box below, but they will also give you a percentage or a couple cents back for using your own bags. So there are a million ways that you can get money back and save money at Target. I absolutely love it. One thing I want to do touch on the Target Red Card debit card. A lot of people are uncomfortable with giving their checking account to a store per se and signing up that way. What I did was I went ahead and opened a virtual checking account on Capital One 360. You don't even have to go into a store anywhere. You just open an account. It's just a small separate little side account that I made myself for free. No monthly charges or anything. And I went ahead and made that my Target debit card. So I didn't link it to my main checking. I just went ahead and got a little side gig and made that my Target debit card so I can get 5% back instantly. dang it, I was just going to say something else too. Oh, okay. Another thing, when you're in the app, this is just totally separate from Target Circle. I guess this is going to be how to use the app in general and not just Target Circle. You can shop by category. And you can see here all the categories are here. And if you come down to this yellow bad boy right here, clearance, you can look for all of the clearance items. Okay, so you can go ahead and click all clearance. Everything is coming up for you here. And if you want to go ahead and filter it, you can filter it by price, by discount, by department, and then you can sort it by newest. So let's just say we want to sort it by newest. We want to know the brand new items that are on clearance. Okay, this is the newest. Now I can go ahead and filter and I can dig in a little deeper and say, you know what, I only want to see stuff that's 50% or more off. And then I see those results. Now we have going from the newest to the oldest as you scroll through. And then we also have it in order of big discounts. So you can see right here, this little cardigan. Is that what it is? Like a little cardigan? That's adorable. Comes in black or white. Super cute. For the little girls. They'll tell you all the sizes that are available. Everything except for extra small is still available in the black. And then same thing for the white. 60% off. Regularly priced 20 bucks. Now it is $7.99. Same thing down below here, right? You can see your options for getting it. So same day delivery is not available for this item. You can do just the standard shipping. Or you can add it to like your list and you can always see if it's in stock in your particular store. You can also do a ship to store for free if you want to go ahead and get your items shipped to the store and then just pick them up when they get there instead of having them delivered to your house. And like I said, add this to your cart, add a couple more things. If you hit $35 or more, then you should be able to get your free 2-day shipping anyway. So I think that is all I have for right now. If you go to cart, this is where your stuff will be. Wallet, my store discovery. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I will leave everything linked down below for you. If there's any big kind of like ad promos, that's where they're going to have them down here. Buy one, get one favorite toys, such and such. Sun Care, that's a new Target Circle that came out 2 days ago, I believe. And then all different items. Oh, more baby clothes stuff. All different Target Circles and sales that they have going on. There's also a barcode up here. You'll have to allow your camera. And you can go ahead and actually scan things in the store if you need to check prices or clearance or things like that. So if you do have the app on your phone, you can do that while you're in the store and you don't have to walk around to one of those scanner things. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure you are following my Coupon Confidants page. I also have a couponing at Target group. It is a massive group on Facebook and we share tons of deals. And every day I go over the new Target Circle discounts that are in here that anybody can save with. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.